Hi there, welcome back to Login Helps. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how you can log into Line with Facebook. Before starting, subscribe to our channel if you have not yet and press the bell icon for more upcoming updates. Line is a free communication app which allows you to make free voice calls and send free messages whenever and wherever you are. To log into Line application, go to your Line application and tap it open. You'll see two options. Tap on Login. To log in with Facebook, you'll need to simply tap on the button that says Continue with Facebook. But remember that to log in with your Facebook, you must be logged into your Facebook account as well, and your Facebook should also be linked to your Line account. Tap on Login with Facebook again and tap on Login another time again. You can restore chat history or skip it for now as well. And after that, you'll successfully be logged in with Facebook to your Line application. You can now start connecting. I hope you liked the video. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedbacks, feel free to comment down below. I'll be back again with more tutorials like this. Till then, goodbye.